welcome to Mama's Kitchen. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super simple, easy pasta. It's a gourmet baked chicken spaghetti, super easy and tasty. Let's get started. So in a pot, we're just going to boil some spaghetti. Stir that around, make sure it's cooking properly. Then we're just going to drain all of that pasta. And we're just going to add some cold water. That's just going to make sure so it stops cooking. So don't make it hot, otherwise it's just going to keep on cooking and get very mushy. So next we're going to preheat the oven at 350 degrees. And while that's doing its thing, we're going to line a baking tray with parchment paper, or you can just use oil like we did. And then we're going to take a pan with some oil in it. We're going to add some chopped onions. So once our chopped onions are in, we're just going to stir that around with that oil. Make sure every piece gets some oil. So then we're just going to add some salt to help it cook and to give it that flavor. And then we're going to add our roastery chicken. So you can use any meat of choice. This is already cooked. You can use shrimp if you really want to, but we just added some chicken in. So we're just stirring that along with the onions. And then we're just going to add our sauce in. We're using tomato sauce. You can use any sauce of choice, or you can even use a homemade sauce, where I have the link in the description of my homemade sauce. We're using store-bought. So we're just going to stir that around. Make sure everything gets some. Then we're just going to add our basil in. We're going to add our parsley in. So you can use any spices of choice. We're just using these spices. And then you're going to add some dried rosemary in. So we just crush that up. Next, we're going to stir that in so that everything is incorporated. So I have 2 tablespoons of sour cream, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cream cheese in. So our 2 tablespoons are going in. And then we're just going to mix that up. We have those 2 mixtures in, and we're going to add some Gouda in. So you can use any cheese of choice. And then we're just going to mix it up to make a light and whip fluffy cream. So now that's whipped and it looks so good, we're going to we're just going to keep on whipping it. So, and then we're just going to start layering everything. Take our dish and we're going to add some of our cooked spaghetti. And then we're just going to add our yum sauce in with our delicious tomato flavor. And then we're just going to add that creamy cheese sauce on top. And then we're going to spread that evenly so that there's not one part just with spaghetti. Then we're just going to add the rest of our spaghetti in. And then we're going to add more cheese sauce. So we're doing everything twice. So we're just going to add the rest of our cheese sauce in. Next we'll add our tomato sauce in. So the rest of that. So then we're just going to top it with some more Gouda. And then we're going to place it in our oven at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. So we're going to let that cook. So now it's done and it looks so good, guys. We're just going to mix it around so that everything has cheese. Oh my god. Okay, so hit that subscribe button and I hope you like it. Bye, guys.